El Colegio de Médicos de Barcelona es una corporación de derecho público.
The Barcelona College of Doctors is a public law corporation. It is a professional college. The institution was founded more than a century ago, in 1894. Its main functions are to register qualified doctors practicing in the province of Barcelona, to defend the collective interests of the profession, to ensure good medical practice, and to represent the profession in dealings with third parties. The Barcelona College of Doctors also includes the Grup Med Corporatiu, which is a group of companies owned by the college, specializing in the financial, insurance, technology, and consultancy sectors. They respond to the needs of the collective on a personal and family level. The Sabadell branch of the college is fortunate to be located next to the Sabadell Hospital, which is one of the leading hospitals in the region, owned by the Hospital Taulí Health Corporation, where 900 members work. I am a doctor of occupational medicine and a risk prevention specialist. Two different aspects were taken into account in the design specifications of the Sabadell branch of the Barcelona College of Doctors. On the one hand, it should be a welcoming space for the members, for the doctors who come to see us, and on the other hand, the issue of safety, both in the COVID period as a situation of environmental quality, and in the future, when all the parameters of the regulation on thermal installations in buildings and other parameters of a healthy building will be applied. Were indoor air quality aspects taken into account? We took into account the parameters that establish the supply of outside air as a basic premise. When we have an indoor situation, a space where the natural outdoor air supply is really limited, then we look at all the aspects that are already mechanical. The supply in terms of volumes, in terms of all the parameters established in the regulation, but also, yes, there may be complementary aspects, such as the neutralization of aerosols, or complementary aspects in that sense, in the design that we were searching for. So as an expert on viruses and bacteria, on the subject of COVID, what factors do you consider most important to ensure this indoor air quality? The supply, of course. This is a key aspect, and once we have a guaranteed supply of liters based on the characteristics, the workers we have, the visits we plan to have, and the meters we have. When this was covered, then that's when we looked at whether these complementary aspects could be improved in some way. We saw that there are systems that were assessed on the level of neutralization. So the Panasonic system, as it was explained to us from the technical side, was an active neutralization supply. The hydroxyl comes out of the device, so apart from the neutralization of bioaerosols with viruses at the environmental level, it is also at the surface level. This does not mean that at the surface level, appropriate cleaning should not be carried out on every surface. But it is a complementary system if we have all the bases already covered. Why is indoor air quality important? It is important because we are indoors for many hours and we need to ensure that this external supply is provided, that in the event that it cannot be, it is mechanized, and additional systems such as neutralization make it easier for us to reduce the viral load at the level of environmental bioaerosols. Certain people spend many hours in such an environment, including the staff of the organization itself, as well as the people who come to see us, in this case, the doctors.